Hi guys, welcome to Shade Tree Roadside Repairs channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change clock ring. So I have some problem here. So if I start my car, so you see that nothing is working here. Buttons also doesn't work. If I turn on the lights, you also see there is nothing working. And also here on the panel you see that airbag blinks. This happens because I broke clock ring when I changed my steering rack sensor. After changing, I tried to find the center position of the steering wheel and unfortunately broke the clock ring. I'm going to show you how to replace that. So here we have this thing, and from the other side the same. If I remove it, so you see it, and from that side you see this bolt, and from the left side we have the same bolt. After you remove them, you will be able to remove basically the airbag. Okay, so I removed the airbag, so you see it. Basically two connectors. White one is for the signal, this one is for the airbag. You need to disconnect this one, be careful with that, and this one which goes to the signal. And also this connector, it connects here. It's pretty tricky to remove it, but here you see this place where you need to click exactly here, so be careful, here is not so much space. After that you need to unscrew this bolt and you will be able to unmount the whole steering wheel. Okay, I unmounted the steering wheel and we see the clock ring. So as the next step, you need to up this kind of part on the top you see here, and also here and here basically you will see two nuts. So as a result you will be able to remove the whole this stuff. Yeah, and finally we have access here. Oh, you need to this one, this one, and I cleaned a bit steering wheel and this thing. Okay, so this is clock ring, original one and broken. Here we see the bearing. I'm going to put some additional grease here. And this is the old one. I have new one. This is non-original. I'm going to install it. Don't forget to install this thing, and here this is little screw. You know, don't forget to install this one from your. So a couple of tricks how to disassemble that. So there is, you know, this thing, and for instance, imagine like you forgot to install this one and you want to disassemble the whole thing. And you see here is not so good access, and it's very easy to break this holder. In order to do that, you need to unmount, you know, this thing, and this is how you can get access from that side and basically up it. Yeah, basically up it with your, you know, hand. So in order to do that, you need to unmount this thing. So basically, yeah, like this, and holder is here, so you need to move it to the left in this case, or to the right in this case. So like this, or like this. It's pretty hard, so be careful with that. And this is how you can get access there in order if you want to unmount it without damaging everything. Regarding the center position, so I unfortunately lose the center position here. Yeah, I don't like, and that's why I moved it to the left and to the right. Basically 1, 2, 3 and 3.5. Back to here. 1, 2, 3, and the same in that. 1, 2, 3, and now it goes hard because it's too much already. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and I guess this is the center. This is non-original. So okay, now I need to mount so this thing here, this thing here. So problem here was pins. This thing is an original, that's why now I moved it kind of properly, and now it works. Okay, everything is assembled, and now everything is working. And no airbag error anymore.